Here we have the Hunt Brothers coffee grinder, a detachable bottom with the ceramic grinding, which is kind of a special feature, and you can change the whether it's
how coarse or fine
it is with that little adjustment. It's easy to adjust, it's not hard at all. And open this up, that's where you put the beans. We have one from Istanbul, basically the same idea, except it has metal teeth, whereas this has the ceramic. And very easy to spin, not much work at all. It takes a while, it just doesn't take very much muscle.
A lot easier than the metal one.
Yeah, a lot easier than the metal one. You can feel it grinding, so it's a different feeling whenever it's all ground. It's, a lot freer in the turning, so you don't really have to look to check, because you'll know. You'll edit all this grinding out.
Nope.
Switch hands.
Okay. People may want to know how long it takes to grind a full.
Yeah, this is full
thing of it. Unless we show them.
I was gonna let the kids do it, but the instructions say, "Warning: do not let children handle."
Do?
I don't know why. Seems like that's what children are for. Also said, don't grind anything other than coffee beans in it because it could damage the ceramics. So if you're like us and grind spices and everything else in your electric coffee grinder, apparently that's not okay for this.
How much of it do you think it's done?
Almost done. Almost done. All this is really well made. You don't feel like you're going to break it very easily. It's light, so if you want to take it when you're traveling. Almost done. I can feel it's kind of just a few of the last ones still in there. Show you. I don't know if you can see that. There's coffee.
And it has a little window on the
Yeah, it
side.
has a little window on the side to see how full it is. Of course, it's all the way full right now. So.
And that part is plastic. It's the only plastic that I've noticed. Well, except for that black knob.
Yeah.
And the clear part that makes it where you can see through. Some people care about that.
Yeah, but you're not like, it's not like cooking in here or anything, so it's not a big deal.
Yeah. Show us the logo again. This is Hunt Brothers Coffee.
Yeah.
We're pretty happy with our new grinder.
Mm-hmm.